Hey, it's me, JJ. Hey. I'm gonna do this is wait, I look like wait, that's confusing. I took my nose. But this is my brother Derek.
What's up?
He has a YouTube channel but he's dead. If you want to still want to shout out your YouTube channel.
No.
He got a cool video with over 1k views. It's a drone shot video. It's cool. But guys, we're gonna react to a video. This is my second reaction video. I know it's my second one. I like to react to stuff because Keith.
You're not reaction time.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
That's true, you're not reaction time.
Okay.
And it needs more viewers than you.
Because you have only like 8 million subs. Okay, let's go into the video. I'm gonna react. I already saw the video. My brother didn't saw the video yet, and I promise you he didn't saw. So it's my fake reaction. It's like
What's the real reaction?
versus real, but it's actually my reaction on him, where he's gonna react on that. It's confusing, but you guys will see it. Just hold on. And action over there, and go.
That medical mystery, the 12-year-old girl who can't stop sneezing. She sneezes about, are you ready for this, 12,000 times per day. Gio Benitez has her story for us.
For 12-year-old Caitlin Thornley, this sound has become painfully familiar. 3 weeks ago, Caitlin began sneezing, and she hasn't stopped.
I was walking out of a clarinet lesson. All of a sudden, it kind of started in just like little spurts. You know, it was like just a few sneezes here and there, but by the time I went to bed, I'd sneezed 30 times that night.
Caitlin now averaging about 20 sneezes per minute.
I can control it sometimes, but it's really painful.
And so far, doctors at Texas Children's Hospital in Houston haven't been able to figure out exactly what is causing the uncontrollable sneezing, referring to the condition as a tic.
She had kind of a funny feeling that she describes in her nose, and that piece of her history is very common for tics.
It's not the first time doctors have seen bizarre cases like this. In fact, some believe tics may be triggered in the brain by something stressing the child out. 10% of all kids are affected by tics.
She can't go to school and can't really do anything normal. Can't eat well. She's has to sip. She can't drink. It's affected everything.
I mean, she has an episode yesterday where it was 45 straight minutes. She was screaming in pain a couple of times.
What happens if it to you?
So,
and
all I can do is just,
I'm a young,
hold her tight and wait for her to go to sleep.
And Caitlin, she just wants to get back to 7th grade.
This has taken a huge toll on my life. I want nothing more than for this to end. I just want it to be gone for good.
So hard for her to do that interview, and she tells us she can't go to school. The sneezing is just too distracting. She can't be on the swim team. She can't play her clarinet. And just think about this, she can't even sleep. The sneezes just wake her up.
How brave of her, though, to go out and talk about it, because that has to be such a
really hoping to find a solution.
Yeah.
I can see how it's affecting her parents too. Just can't imagine. Thank you, Gio.
Sorry. So guys, that's the shortest reaction video.
Let's react to another one.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No. I
Yes.
already reacted for next week's video. Come here. Keep subscribing and wait for next week's video.
You're a jackass.
Oh, jackass.
You need to download like big videos that we can react to, like 20 minutes reacting.
20.
Yes.
20 minutes.
Yes.
Flippin' 20 minutes. Well, I can hold on that off. The video's done. So guys, that's the shortest video I went through of reaction.
I'm sad.
Why are you sad? You laugh like, ha! She sneezed funny. Ha!
No. I'm sneezing because it sounds like a mini machine gun. Or SMG. Or she can like go on dubstep music but with sneezes. Yeah, I'm a nerd of music. Nightcore, gaming, computer geek. Yeah, you can go down, go down, go down. Go down.
So guys, that's the video. I hope you keep subscribed for next week's reaction video. I'm gonna react already. I already shot the video, so I'm gonna wear the same clothes. So, and that it's not sponsored. So, yeah.
Please sponsor me.
So guys,
Not for you, for me.
keep stay in touch, keep subscribing. Remember that button below. It must not be red, it must be grey. But guys, that's the video. Subscribe, like, comment down below which like, subscribe, comment down below what video you want to see. He's older than me and he does this stuff.
No, you're younger than me, but you're still more like a geek. You're acting like a geek. I'm bored. You're wasting my time of watching anime.
This guy.
Jackass.
Okay, so guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and I'll see you guys next time on my channel. Oh bro, I thought you watched my videos.
I do. You guys, it zoom in. But,